Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to open Explorer and properties on Roblox Studio. So if you mistakenly close the properties in Explorer and don't know how to open it, so guys, you are watching the right video. First of all, you have to uh, select the item that you want to see, the properties you want to see, and just click on this view from the top. And here you can find both options, Explorer and properties. Click on open properties to open properties of your rig file, and now you can change properties of the your rig, like you can change the origin, transform, you can transform it to any size, and so basically you can change the properties using this property section, and click on Explorer to open your project file. So now you can see that the rig file already selected, since it is already selected in the uh, view folder. So yeah, so you will you can see all the file of your project here in the Explorer. You can browse any file. So yeah, hope you understood. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. And if you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section. And if you are new on channel, please subscribe to our channel, like the video, and yeah, see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.